In this session, I'll discuss about one important networking concept like VPN, Virtual Private Network. What is VPN in Google Cloud Platform? In which scenario cases do you use VPN in Google Cloud Project? I'll guide you in more details about the VPN in this session so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. A cloud VPN stands for Cloud Virtual Private Network. Is a service offered by major cloud providers like Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure. It helps you securely connect your on-premises network or other virtual network to your cloud environment, creating a private tunnel for data transfer. It allows organizations to extend their private network infrastructure to the cloud, creating a secure communication channel over the public internet. Basically guys, Cloud VPN to establish secure and encrypted connection between on-premises network and virtual machine instances in the cloud. The communication between on-premises network and the cloud is typically secured using the Internet Protocol, which ensure the security and confidentiality in the transmitted data. Secure connectivity. Cloud VPN provides a secure and encrypted connection over the public internet, allowing data to be transmitted between on-premises data center or office and virtual machine instances in the cloud. You know guys, the IP protocol. The communication between on-premises network and the cloud is typically secured using the IP Internet Protocol security, which ensure confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of the transmitted data. Side-to-side VPN. You know guys, Cloud VPN is often used to side-to-side VPN configuration where the on-premises network is connected to the virtual network in the cloud. This enables seamless and secure communication between the on-premises infrastructure and the cloud resources. Cloud VPN support the configuration of multiple redundant tunnels between the on-premises network and the cloud. If one tunnel becomes unavailable, traffic is automatically rerouted through the alternate tunnel. Cloud VPN can integrate with other networking services offered by the cloud provider such as VPC, network, cloud route for dynamic routing, identity and access management, IAM for access control and more. Now guys, I hope so you understand what is cloud VPN and what exactly is it. Now I'll give some idea about what are the benefits of using cloud VPN. As you can see here guys, the enhanced security, improve access control, simplified network management, scalability and flexibility. Data transfer between your network and the cloud is encrypted, minimizing the risk of interception and the data breaches. You can control who and what can access resources in your cloud environment through the VPN tunnel, adding an extra layer of security. Now guys, I'll guide you how does the cloud VPN work in cloud computing. Cloud VPN in cloud computing such as Google Cloud Platform works by establishing secure and encrypted connection between on-premises network and virtual network in the cloud. The goal is to create a private and secure communication channel over the public internet, allowing data to be transmitted between these two environments. Guys, as you can see here, some of the overview of Cloud VPN works in GCP, like creating a secure tunnel. First of all guys, configuration. Organization configure the Cloud VPN by defining a connection between their on-premises network and a VPC network in the cloud provider infrastructure. VPN gateway. The cloud providers such as GCP deploy a VPN gateway at the edge of cloud infrastructure. This gateway serves as the entry point for the VPN connection. The cloud provider set of specialized virtual machine called VPN gateway in your cloud environment. These act as entry and exit point for the VPN tunnel. On-premises VPN gateway. Guys, on-premises site an organization set up a compatible VPN gateway device. This device is responsible for establishing the VPN connection with the cloud provider's VPN gateway. Routing. The cloud VPN supports a dynamic routing protocol such as border gateway protocol (BGP). This allows the automatic discovery of routes between the on-premises network and the cloud network, making it easier to handle changes in the network topology. Guys, the protocol and keys. You can configure the designed VPN protocol and establish a secure key exchange between the VPN gateway and your on-premises network. This key encrypt and decrypt the data processing through the tunnel. Guys, the tunnel establishment using the chosen a protocol and keys, the VPN gateways negotiated with establish a secure tunnel over the public internet. This tunnel acts as a virtual private route for the data transmission and shielded from unauthorized access. Guys, encrypting data flow. When data needs to be transferred between your on-premises network and the cloud, it enters the VPN tunnel through the on-premises VPN gateway. Then encryption, guys, as the data passes through the tunnel, it automatically encrypted using the established key. This ensures that even if intercepted on the public internet, the data remains unreadable to anyone without corresponding decryption key. In decryption, upon reaching the cloud VPN gateway, the encrypted is decrypted using the matching key, allowing it to be processed and utilize within your cloud environment. Guys, controlling access, the authentication and authorization. Before accessing the resource in the cloud through the VPN tunnel, authorized user and device must be undergo proper authentication procedure. This ensure only authorized parties can access your cloud environment. Authorization means, guys, once authenticated, user only have access to specific resources based on their assigned permission. This level of control further strengthens security and prevents unauthorized access to the sensitive data or application. Now guys, I hope so you understand how does the cloud VPN works in cloud computing. Now guys, I'll guide you in which scenario do you use the cloud VPN in GCP project. Cloud VPN in Google Cloud Platform is used in various scenarios where secure and encrypted communication between on-premises network and the GCP resources is required. There are several scenarios where you might use the cloud VPN in your GCP project, like hybrid cloud connectivity or connecting your on-premises network to GCP. This is most common use cases for cloud VPN. It allows you to securely extend your existing corporate network to the cloud and enabling seamless access to the cloud resources for authorized user and application. This is ideal for migrating workload, accessing cloud database or collaborating with remote teams. When organizations have on-premises data center and want to extend their network to the GCP, cloud VPN allows for secure connection between on-premises infrastructure and GCP resources. This enables a hybrid cloud deployment. And guys, enabling remote access for employees. Cloud VPN allows you to grant secure access to your GCP project resources for employees working remotely. They can access cloud application data and services as if they are physically connected to the on-premises network. When organizations have remote office that need to securely communicate with GCP resources, Cloud VPN provides a way to establish encrypted connection over the internet and ensuring data privacy. Connecting multiple GCP VPC. Guys, if you have resources deployed across the different VPC within your GCP project, Cloud VPN can create a secure tunnel between them. This facilitate data transfer and resource sharing between VPC and streamline communication and collaboration. As you know guys, the connecting GCP to other cloud provider, Cloud VPN can establish secure connection between your GCP project and other cloud environments such as AWS, Azure and more. This allows you to leverage resources and service from different providers for hybrid cloud deployment or disaster recovery solution. Guys, thank you and have a great day. See you in the next session.